Show Daddy how you put them together, smarty pants. Don't forget that one. There we go. Good job. All done. We'll do it again. Dump them out. Oh, big mess. Oh, Daddy, help you pick them up. Gotta put them all so you can see them, huh? Here. Here's the other one. It does a little too fast. Put it together and then we'll do it again. Good job. Okay, let Daddy dump them out. Do one at a time. Break them all out so we don't have pairs. There we go. Good job, Danny. That's a good job. Okay, get some more. Yeah.